My interaction or with you has been via looking at a little screen, and you work very hard, man, with your fighting, your body, everything. It's always been like that. So, are you that driven because you don't want to fail and you don't want to let people down like Salman Khan and your father and Sunil Anna?
No, it's not that. It's I've been training for all my life. I've been training since I've been a kid, and actually never wanted to be an actor until I met Salman sir. And I still remember he called me when I was at class and he said, Suraj, come to Yash Raj. So I said, I cut the phone. Then Arpita calls me. She said, Are Bhai is calling you. I said, is Salman sir calling me? She's like, yeah, Bhai is calling you. Please call him back. I called him. Then I went and met him at Yash Raj, and then he put me on to, he said, please work with Kabir sir. So I assisted Kabir sir on Ek Tha Tiger. And since then, I think he's put his hand on my shoulder and it's always been there. And I hope it stays there.
Always there. For the time as soon as my hand shifts, you put your hand under my shoulder.
All right, we're going to open it up for a number of questions. Where do I start?
Hi, Suraj Atia. Welcome to the industry, Hindi film industry. Alok here from OFM. अब दोनों से मेरा सवाल है कि आज क्या तैयारियां थी यहाँ आने से पहले कि एक मंच होगा, बहुत सारे पत्रकार होंगे, बगल में सलमान खान भी होंगे, एक एक करके अगर आप बताएं।
Honestly, सुबह से तो बहुत नर्वस था। कुछ तैयारी तो नहीं की हम, पर मॉम डैड से बात किया। अभी जो होना है वो होएगा, उसका कुछ नहीं कर सकते। पर आप लोग को ट्रेलर अच्छा लगा? If you like the trailer, I think सब अच्छा होगा. And I hope to give better in each and every film I do. I want to work with Nikhil sir again, and I hope that we do a very good film together where I can actually like really pay attention to what I'm doing. Because
इसका मतलब इस पिक्चर में ऐसा कुछ नहीं
नहीं इस पिक्चर में किया मैंने, इस पिक्चर में किया, पर इतना हो रहा था और हम लोग शूट कर रहे थे मनाली में, तो it was very intense for the first film, I guess. Right, sir? Was it? You think? No? Yes.
For your second film and third film and fourth film.
So yes, I promise to get better and better. I am not the best right now, but I can be later on. I'll work towards it, I promise.
Atia, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Before coming here, I was extremely nervous. I messaged Nikhil, so I think 5 times, saying, oh my God, but he calmed me down like he always does. And I don't know, I'm like so emotional right now because it's been such an amazing journey for both of us, for all of us. We worked really hard, we've put in our all, and I hope you like it. And I'm so happy and glad to see so many people who are here to support us. And I just want to say thank you so much for being here.
सलमान, आपके हिसाब से हीरो कौन होता है और आपका हीरो कौन है? ये सवाल.
And I got my own mic, dude. You guys better do well, because the film does well, I do well. If, God forbid, anything happens, then buddy, I become a punching bag. One side your father, one side your father. Very difficult, huh? To survive that.
तो सलमान, आपके हिसाब से हीरो कौन होता है ना, आपका हीरो कौन है जिसको आप हीरो मानते हैं?
सर, हीरो के कैटेगरीज तो बहुत होते हैं. एक पहले हीरो होता था जो कि एक लूजर था, फिर एक रोमांटिक हीरो हुआ, फिर एक्शन हीरो हुआ, फिर एक फैमिली ड्रामास के अंदर एक लड़का, एक कॉमन मैन, वो हीरो बना. मेरे हिसाब से जब आप थिएटर से निकलो एंड एक लड़की चाहती है कि ये मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड, ये मेरा पति बने, एक दूसरी लड़की चाहती है कि ये मेरा भाई बने, एक दूसरी लड़की चाहती है कि मुझे एक ऐसा बाप मिले, और एक और किस्म की लड़की चाहती है कि मुझे ऐसा बेटा मिले. So when you come out of the theater and women feel this emotion, different women feel this emotion for the hero, and the opposite sex feel it for the heroine, then I think you have your hero and your heroine both there.
Hello.
And you cannot do it without a film. You cannot do it without a script, without the screenplay, dialogues, music. You cannot do it without that.
Hello. This is for Suraj here. Congratulations to all of you this Raj, member of the press. Here
Just
you-
one second.
here
Even I can, please.
Here I am.
Oh, right there.
Here,
Okay,
here.
on the right.
Okay, hi.
Simple सा सवाल है आपसे.
जी.
Why did you choose to be an actor?
Because I think I can live a lot of lives through this, and I think actors have, if they do well, being very honest, actors have a very good life.
Really?
They have everything, really. Not always,
ये
but
पता नहीं था.
not always, but
Only producer's life is in problem.
Okay, this is for Athia here. Yeah.
Sorry,
Be honest.
Say,
What do
to be
you?
honest, why I wanted to be an actor
Yeah.
is because both my parents are actors. Is because when I started working on set as an assistant, I felt that chalo, I think I can do this क्योंकि पढ़ाई नहीं की मैंने. I was very bad in math. My mom wanted me to be a pilot. कभी नहीं कर सकता था. And action and big scale watching films. I mean I've been watching Hindi films since I was a child, and I think it's in my blood. I think it's in my blood. It's also because of my mom. My mom wanted me to be an actor when I was around 20, 21. But I don't know. Let's see.
Okay, thank you. And Athia, this is for
Yes,
you.
hi.
What do you feel is your USP as a performer?
I hope my USP as a performer would be that people would think I'm confident and I'm natural. So I hope I portray that on screen. And yeah.
My question is for both the newcomers here. Hi. Here. I can't see. There's too many lights. Your left.
Top left, next to
here,
lights.
here.
Yes.
Here. One piece of advice you got from Salman Khan, not as a producer, but on a personal level.
Before we started the film, I said, he said, Suraj, picture chalu ho rahi hai. I said, yeah, thank you, sir, and everything. He's like, Suraj, acting mat karna. He said, ज़्यादा acting mat karna, dance सीख लेना, पर ज़्यादा acting mat karna. That's what he said. And jeans, boots. He said, jeans और boots अच्छे होने चाहिए. आज नहीं पहने.
It's a very simple thing, but I've realized one thing कि जहाँ jeans की fitting गई, hero गया. It's a very simple thing. It is जहाँ देख लो, जो आदमी की पैंट की फिटिंग, जीन्स की फिटिंग करेक्ट है, उसकी चाल करेक्ट है, वो चलेगा. जिसकी नहीं है, आप आंकड़ा लगा के देख लो. It is always नहीं है, out.
Hi, Suraj.
Hi.
At the center.
Yes.
Hi. This is your first stage appearance. What got you so emotional? What was your thought process at that point of time when you entered the stage?
See, I see. This is a dream launch. What people call a dream launch, it is one, and I don't think I could have gotten better than this. I see a lot of people over here who want to be actors. People who are much more talented than me, much more good-looking than me, have a better body than me, but they don't make it here, and I've made it, and it's a big thing for me. That's it.
सूरज
Hello.
एंड अथिया, आप दोनों ही लोगों से सवाल है, क्या आप लोगों ने सुभाष जी की पहली हीरो देखी थी? क्या उससे कुछ इंस्पिरेशन मिली आपको, दोनों ही लोगों को?
Yes, I saw it when I was very young, but I don't think we can ever be compared to that on that platform. We've tried to create something different and something new, and I hope we have his blessings. And yeah.
सुभाष जी यहाँ.
One second.
Left.
Just one. Let me just complete that similar question to
Yes,
Suraj.
Hero, it keeps coming on cable. It keeps coming on NBOD and cable. So I've watched Hero, I think, about 10 times, but in pieces. Hero, when Salman sir told me that that he's got Hero for us, that is the day I got the DVD and I saw the whole film. And I think it's a very, very, very good film. The same can't be made again. What Jackie sir did, I can't do.
I was thinking that you'll do better. अभी बोल रहा है मेरे को ये. पहले बोल दिया होता.
I tried my best.
Salman, here on your right.
सलमान, फिल्म पहले 4 अगस्त को रिलीज होने वाली थी और अब पोस्टपोन हो गई है, तो क्लैशेस की वजह।
क्योंकि हमने वेलकम को वेलकम कर लिया।
ओके सलमान, व्हाई सूरज एंड आतिया फॉर दिस फिल्म? क्योंकि सूरज ने अभी थोड़ी देर पहले कहा कि वो बहुत आपका फोन उठाते नहीं थे और इग्नोर करते थे।
आपका इंटरप्रिटेशन तो कमाल ही है। हाँ,
व्हाई सूरज एंड आतिया?
ये आपको ऑलरेडी दिख गया प्रिंट के अंदर, या देखिए चैनल है ना। अच्छा, तो कोई बोलेगा कि सूरज पंचोली सलमान खान का फोन नहीं उठाते थे। क्यों नहीं उठाते? 1 घंटे का कैप्सूल बनना चाहिए इसके ऊपर, नहीं तो नहीं होगा। और बिगनिंग से चलना।
Hi guys, this is Bhavna from Z News near left. Can you see me? Yeah. सूरज, अक्सर जब हम सलमान से पूछते
Yes.
जब भी सलमान से पूछते हैं बॉलीवुड का नेक्स्ट सलमान खान कौन होगा, वो आपका नाम लेते हैं। आप अपने और उनमें क्या सिमिलैरिटी देखते हैं?
मैं नहीं, I don't know why he says that, and I think I need to have a conversation with him because I don't think I can keep up with him. He is a legend, and everyone knows that. But it's I don't think anyone would say that. See, today if I become a big star and I go like, that's the next Suraj Pancholi, it's a very big thing for me to say, and I don't know how Salman sir sees me as the next him. But thank you, sir.
I don't see you as next him.
No, not him, but
I see you that you will do really well. And the slot that I've been doing, when I started off in the industry, that young, thoda sa action, thoda sa romance, thoda comedy करके जो बच के निकला हूँ, I think that.
Salman, real life में कोई similarity?
He's got this great quality that he picks up things really fast. So he does action really well. He looks really endearing on screen. He is a young man. He can romance, and when he beats somebody up on screen, you can tell that man is getting hurt, and it's very convincing. So this is the slot that I thought that I.
निखिल, मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि कितनी बार जब शूटिंग हुई फिल्म की, जब सलमान ने रशेस देखे, तो कितनी बार रिजेक्शन मिला है सलमान का आपकी शूटिंग?
बार रिजेक्शन मिला?
हाँ, मतलब कि बार ऐसा सुनने में आया था कि क्रिएटिव चीजें और होनी चाहिए और अच्छा